Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see fog lights and front parking sensors. In the centre grille, you will see two nice chrome strips. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors on this van are heated and power folding. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and for cold winter months. And to this side, you will notice a manual sliding door. Looking into the back of the van, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. You'll also notice to the back of the load area, you will notice that it's been fully wood ply-lined, including the floor. At the back of the van, you will see that it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. As we move across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. To the back of the van, you will also notice standard rear tail lights. On the rear doors, you will see a transporter badge and a VW emblem. Looking into the load area again, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we move across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. On both doors, you will see this door release catch, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in a solid colour, which is pure grey. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handed storage compartments. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will see the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. You'll also notice the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests. This is ideal for added comfort on long journeys. This now has finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror, electric window controls. Down here, you will see the auto headlamp switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will see media controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 20,341 miles. Using the media switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, you can change radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which you'll find down here, with a 12-volt socket. This system is also fitted with App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment using my phone is Waze for maps and also a downloaded music app. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. And now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 70 plate van, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask a salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer. And thank you for watching.